Hello students, today in this video we will learn your topic linear equation in two variable. Exercise 4.1 from your page number 74. So in earlier classes you have got linear equation in one variable. You remember linear equation in one variable x plus 5 is equal 0. For example, minus 2y minus 7 is equal 0. This type of linear equation you have got in the earlier classes. So this type of equations is called linear equation in one variable. Here only one variable, x plus y. Variable only one is there. You see, minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Only one variable is there. So these things you have got in the lower class. So this type of variable is called linear equation in one variable, which you have got already in lower class. Now your topic is linear equation in two variable. So what is linear equation in two variable? Any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0 is called linear equation in two variable. So linear equation in two variable in the form what? Ax plus by plus c is equal 0, where a, b, c are real number and a and b should not be 0. Okay, you keep in mind. The equation should be in the form ax plus by plus c is equal 0, where a and b value will not be 0. Both. One may be 0, okay. A value may be 0 or b value may be 0, but both may not be 0. Both, if a and b value will be 0, then it is not a linear equation in two variable. Now we will solve the problems. Let's see. A. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following is not a form of linear equation in two variable? So you have four options, A, B, C, D. You see here, what is the general form of linear equation in two variable? Ax plus by plus c is equal 0. So if the equation is linear equation in two variable, then it should be in this form, where a and b both value should not be 0. You see, in D a is 0, b also is 0. In other, you see here only a 0. This one not 0. You see here it is linear equation in two variable. This one also linear equation in two variable. Only this value is 0. Value of b is 0. Only b value 0. Here only a value in this option. Only value of a is 0. In option D, you see a is 0, b also 0. So this is your correct option. Here asking which of the following is not a form of linear equation. which is not in the form of linear equation? The correct option is D. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Expressing x minus 9 is equal root 3y in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. The value of a, b and c are. So first, this part you have to express in the general form of linear equation in two variables. So what is there? X minus 9 is equal root 3y. So the general form is what? Ax plus by plus c is equal 0. First you express x. You see y is in second. Ax, here x is there in the first. Second by. So this one you have to bring in the left side. It is in right side, so you bring in the left side. Then it becomes negative. Minus 9 is equal 0. This one you taken already in the left side, so right side will be 0. Now you see here coefficient of x has. Here a, coefficient of x is a. Here coefficient of x has. We have 1. Coefficient of y is b. So coefficient of y here how much? Minus root 3. That means b is minus root 3. And c is how much here? C is minus 9. So a is 1, b is minus root 3, c is minus 9. Which one you see now? A is 1, b is minus root 3, c is minus 9. So correct option is A. Let's see the next question, number 3. The cost of a pencil X is twice the cost of an eraser Y. Which of the following equation represent the above statement? So you have to make the linear equation from this statement. So what is given? Cost of a pencil given X. Cost of a pencil is X. Is, that means equal, twice the cost of an eraser Y. Cost of a pencil X is equal how much? Twice the cost of an eraser Y. So twice, that means 3 times. So now X, this 3y you take in left side and right side will be 0. So you're getting how much? X minus 3y equals 0. So your correct option is B. Let's see the next question, B1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So what is your statement? The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So here one hint already given in your question. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X and that of a pen to be rupees Y. This hint already given in your question. So we have to write linear equation in two variables. So cost of a book, cost of a notebook, how much? Cost of a notebook is X, rupees X, is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen, how what? Rupees Y, twice of cost of a pen. So X is what? Is equal to 2y. So X is, so this 2y you take in left side, then it become negative. So X minus 2y is equal 0. So this 2y only we take in left side, so right side will be 0. So this is your linear equation of this statement. Let's see the question number 2. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. So first question is 2x plus 3y equal 9.35 bar. Bar means you have got already in earlier chapters. Bar is in 5. That means 5 is repeating. It is a repeating decimal. So first we express this in the linear equation in two variables general form, ax plus by plus c equals 0. So 2x plus 3y. This 9.35 bar you take in left side, then it becomes negative 9.35 bar. So this one already we take in negative, sorry, left side. So right side will be 0. Now you compare this equation with this general form of linear equation in two variables. So you see, coefficient of x is a. Here coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x is a. Here coefficient of x is 2. So a is, that means 2. Next, coefficient of y is b. So here coefficient of y is how much? 3. So that means value of b is 3. C. In place of c, here what is there? Minus 9.35 bar. You have to take this negative sign also, because in your general form before c what is there? Plus sign. So you have to take this negative sign also in the value of c. Now you see the next question, number 2. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal 0. So same, it is already in the form of linear equation in two variables. So you compare now. X coefficient here a. So here x coefficient how much? 1. It is 1x. So here 1 is there. Next, y coefficient is b. So here y coefficient how much? It is 1y. So here y coefficient is minus 1 by 5. Next, c. C will be how much? Minus 10. So in this video, this much. So we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.